welcome back to my channel. yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, I have some new products from Curlsmith. From Curlsmith. They just released them not too long ago. And seeing as how I'm not on the PR list just yet, we're gonna speak this thing into existence. I bought some products from them. If you want to hear and see how I feel about these new products, then just keep watching. Okay?
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
So the first product that I'm going in with is the Curlsmith shampoo. It is a gentle shampoo for damaged hair. It is anti-buildup, it gives you strength, and it is anti-breakage. Hand-picked ingredients: prickly pear cactus, pumpkin seed oil, guava juice, wild rice protein, pressed hemp oil, shredded kale. Our strength recipes are like a workout for your curls. Packed with superfoods, they are carefully designed to make your hair look stronger. They are cruelty-free and vegan, you guys, no silicones or sulfates. So the directions say: apply generously to wet hair, massage vigorously into your scalp to break down dirt and product buildup, rinse off thoroughly. If your hair is weak and damaged, follow with the Curlsmith multitasking conditioner and style with your favorite Curlsmith product. Now, with that being said, you guys, it is protein because my curls are like popping. Alright, so let's talk about this shampoo. This shampoo, a little goes a long way. It gives me a great lather. It smells great. And best of all, it gave me a cleansed feeling without feeling stripped. So that is a big one for me. I am a cleanse type girl. I don't like a product that has too much moisture and not enough cleansing, if that makes sense. So this right here is the best of both worlds, you guys. It is so great. I really enjoyed it. I really liked it. So let's go on to the next product that I used. The next product I used was the Curlsmith multitasking conditioner. It is a 3-in-1 conditioner for damaged hair. You can leave it in, rinse it out, or deep condition with it. Let's see. Hand-picked ingredients: silky castor oil, hemp oil extract, pressed pumpkin seeds, babassu kernel oil, wild rice protein, and black currant juice. Again, all around great product. So, how to feed your curls. As a conditioner, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse to instantly detangle, smooth, and revive your hair. You guys know I don't normally condition my hair. I don't do rinse out conditioners. As a deep conditioner, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse to deeply nourish and replenish your strands. As I leave in, rake through wet, freshly washed hair to maintain moisture and plump curls until the next wash. Now, this 3-in-1, you guys, I thoroughly enjoyed it. Any product where I can skip a whole step, like an entire step. Now, what I mean by skip is I did the deep conditioning. I left it on for 30 minutes, put my hot head on, came back, felt my hair. I was like, oh God, this feels so good on my hair. And instead of me rinsing it out, I just went on into my next step, which was me applying the protein cream. So instead of me having to go back to the sink, rinse it out, and then put a leave-in on, I didn't have to do all that. Eliminating one step. That was great for me. So if you guys know anything that can help me cut down a wash day, I am all for it. So yeah. The next product I went in with was the Feather Light Protein Cream. I actually already have a review on this. I will link it in the cards above for you to go check out. And then lastly, I went in with the Curlsmith Shape Up Aqua Gel. It is a styling gel for weak, damaged hair. It is weightless. It has anti-frizz properties, and it gives you silky definition. It is a 5-hold. If you can see that, it is a 5-hold, so it is right there in the middle. Hand-picked ingredients: shiitake mushroom, juice guava, hemp oil extract, black currant berry, wild rice protein, and shredded kale. So let's see what the directions. How to feed your hair. Apply to soaking wet hair for extra moisture. Prime your hair with your favorite Curlsmith leave-in. Rake through to ensure you are evenly coating all strands. Use the prayer hands method to smooth all locks down. Seal the moisture in and tame the cuticles. Scrunch to encourage curl formation, and then air dry or diffuse. Okay. It also says on here, the truth about proteins. Balancing protein-rich and moisturizing products in your hair routine is key to healthy, strong hair. Our strength recipes are protein-enriched formulas designed to rebalance your hair needs. The more porous and damaged your hair is, the more protein-based products you should use. And of course, you guys know that I still have a little bit of color ends on my hair, but if you don't know, a couple of weeks ago, I was bleached, okay? And my routine was heavily packed with protein. So that just goes to show that you have to, move with your hair. You have to move with your hair. But anyways, this Shape Up Aqua Gel, I liked it. Little goes a long way. It felt great on my hair. The only issue that I had was, of course, the hold. But I can't be mad at the product. The product did exactly what it said it was going to do. I don't have much frizz in my hair now. I did use another gel on top of that just to give me a hold, because as you guys can see in the clip, this did not give me the hold that I needed. So I did go in on top of it with one of my favorite gels. So as far as how my hair feels really good. Do I think I could just use the leave-in? I don't think so. Like I said, my hair felt really, really good after letting it sit on my hair. But yeah, but like, my hair feels really good. And as you can see, like, the curls are so defined. The curls are so defined, and they are clumped. Of course, from the other gel, but they are really, really, really defined, as you guys can see, with minimal frizz. I think that has a lot to do with the Shape Up Aqua Gel. So yeah, I like all of these products. If you are new to my channel, hi. No, that came from Jerry's channel, but anyways, if you are new to my channel, then you probably don't know, but Curlsmith, I love Curlsmith products. They are on the higher end side of pricing, but the amount of product that you get and just the fact that you don't have to use a lot, a little goes a long way. That makes up for the pricing, and these products are solid products if you want to give them a try. I know you can order them from Ulta, and I want to say Ulta you can use like Afterpay or something, so you pay over 4 weeks every other week. So if that'll help you with getting these products, I just want to throw that out there. But yeah, the product that I liked the most from this line was actually the multitasking conditioner 3-in-1 for damaged hair. And I like this product the most because it is a 3-in-1. It helps me to skip a step in my routine, honestly. So yeah. So with that being said, you guys, if you have not done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Have you tried any Curlsmith products? Let me know what you think about the products in the comments below. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later.